Hello and welcome to Jolie Living. I'm Rick, and today we're going to repair some spalling areas on our stamped concrete driveway. It's only a few years old, but it's starting to show some wear, and there are some significant almost holes that I want to repair before winter sets in. So I'm going to attempt to do that and see how it turns out. This is what I used. Product by Westcoat, their Tecture coat cement, and their liquid colorant TC40 smoke was what was recommended for our gray color, and I just used a couple of teaspoons because I was mixing a couple of cups of cement. I added too much water, so I'll add a little bit more of the mix. Thought it was too wet, but it seems to be fairly decent consistency. This is my first time doing any of this, so I'm just kind of trial and error. I've spent a lot of time beforehand cleaning these areas to get rid of all dust, grease, oil, things like that, so that we have a chance of this stuff sticking to it. Well, our cement patch job has dried, and in this light it looks pretty good. It's kind of shaded. In the sunlight it sticks out a bit, but right here is a patch. When you're on top of it you can see it pretty good. This is a real small little hole that I patched there. Pretty subtle. Several different patches right in there, right there, right there, and then these two over here. This is all spalling of the surface. You know, not really deep into the concrete like all these places I patched. So I think this is going to have to do for now, and I will then put a sealer over all this to help preserve some of this. But overall, not a bad effort. Well, that about wraps it up. Thank you for joining us at Jolie Living, where you never know what we'll be doing. We do anything from baking in the kitchen to snowmobiling in the mountains, going for a stand-up paddleboard ride, or repairing something at home. So, and I try to break those videos out into, I have some different playlists, so you can explore around the channel and looking at the different playlists to find things that might suit you best. But just wanted to say thanks for joining us. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like button, comment down below, and come back. We're always trying to put more content out there. Thank you.